In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Gmail to Google Sheets in Zapier. To get started, log into your Zapier account. Once you're on the dashboard, click Create and then choose Zap. This will open a new automation where you'll connect Gmail as the trigger and Google Sheets as the action. First, click the trigger step. In the app search bar, type Gmail and select it from the list. For the trigger event, choose New Email. This tells Zapier to watch your Gmail inbox and look for incoming emails that match the conditions you define. Next, connect your Gmail account. If prompted, sign in and allow Zapier the necessary permissions so it can read the email data needed for this workflow. After that, configure any filters, labels, or search criteria for the emails you want to capture. This part is important because it helps you control exactly which messages get sent to your spreadsheet, keeping your data organized and relevant. Once that's set, click Continue. Then click Test Trigger so Zapier can retrieve a sample email from your Gmail account. Review the sample carefully to make sure it includes the kind of email you want this automation to use. If everything looks correct, click Continue again. Now it's time to set up where that email data will go. Click the action step, search for Google Sheets, and select it. For the action event, choose Create Spreadsheet Row. This means every matching email will be added as a new row in your chosen sheet. Connect your Google Sheets account, then select the spreadsheet and worksheet where you want to store the email information. After that, map the Gmail fields to the appropriate spreadsheet columns. For example, you can send the sender to one column, the subject to another, the date to its own column, and the message body into a notes or content column. Good field mapping makes the spreadsheet much easier to read later, so take a moment to match everything carefully. When you're done, click Continue. Then click Test Step and verify that Zapier successfully adds a new row to Google Sheets. Open your spreadsheet and confirm that the row appears correctly and that each column contains the right information. If the test looks good, click Publish to activate the Zap. At that point, send or receive a new email that matches your trigger conditions. Finally, check your Google Sheet and confirm that the email data is automatically added as a new row. That's it. Thanks for watching.